Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
I just want to remind you once again, folks, that you have the pleasure of Tony Shafiq in the studio this morning. Tony, of course, a mortgage doctor with 26 years, great experience. The man's been affiliated with First Republic Mortgage Bankers for the last 13, since the very start of that bank. And Tony, I just want to ask you a question. How many customers would you say that you've dealt with? Or give me a guess. Give us a guess here. Give us a what? How many customers have you dealt with in 13 years?
It will be in the thousands. It will be in the thousands, you know?
Yeah.
And all those customers, I can guarantee you, they're highly satisfied customer. If you hear on the radio as they give their testimonial, they even elevate me to be a mortgage wizard. They elevate me to the highest form, and someone will say, you know what, after God, it's me. You know, it's so encouraging to know that the people that you have been representing with dignity and loyalty over these years, they have that love and respect for me because I built so much confidence and trust, you know, in them. So with me here at First Republic Mortgage Bank, I will continue in that same direction in serving with loyalty and excellence. And I don't want the reputation of First Republic tarnished. I am there as a representative. And once I'm there as a representative, it means that First Republic is a reputable bank. And it will stay a reputable bank, and we will deliver the goods and services and anything that we can do for the community, whether it's lowering the mortgage payment or lowering the interest rate or multiplying the many loan programs that we have available to make it more conducive and easy for people to obtain a mortgage. We will do it because we are a direct lender. Yeah. There's no middleman involved. From you, the consumer, you come direct to the source. Yes, listening audience, the name is Tony Shafiq, the mortgage doctor with enough love and much respect. I'm speaking to you, and this is my loyalty, and it's my commitment to serve you. And my mission is to educate you, whether it's on the radio, on the television, or any other public or private forum. It's to educate you, the consumer, on the entire concept of mortgage financing, whether it's purchasing or refinancing. Yeah. But I must encourage you, now is the time. The market is conducive in both directions. Refinancing, the rates cannot even get better. 5.25%. Listen to that rate. A fixed rate for 30-year, incredible. And you know what? It's not an adjustable rate. It's not a loan with a prepayment penalty. It's a fully amortized loan, no prepayment penalty. It's a fixed rate for 30 years that can give you even a cash out up to 95% of the value of your home. That's the beauty of it, and still maintain that low rate. So now if you're drowned in debts, you're having sleepless nights. It's like a nightmare. There's too much burden upon you, and you're carrying it, and you're falling way behind. It's causing you distress, and you're stressed out. You can relieve all of that now. All it takes, Conroy, one phone call, 718-652-6200. Talk to the mortgage doctor. And in addition to that, to do a debt consolidation and do that beautiful refinance right now if you're a proud homeowner, you can at the same time, if you have that equity in your home, since house prices have gone down significantly, you can now get involved in real estate to have a solid retirement by buying up some cheap real estate houses out there. Keep it for retirement. And if you have...
But when you say, I just want to, make it clear to the family here, Tony Shafiq, that when you say cheap real estate, you mean in terms of price. You're not talking in terms of quality, of the quality of the real estate. It's just that, prices happen to be very low right now.
Significantly. Because they are looking at it. They are looking at the structural integrity of the property they're buying, which they can get by themselves or get a contractor friend to go and look at the property for them, or even engage the services of an engineer to look at the property. We encourage all of that, However, it's a buyer's market. And with First Republic offering such low rate, in addition, with only a 3% down and the seller paying all the closing costs, that 3% down could be gifted money. I always say from family members, the seller paying all the closing costs is not something unlawful. It's something legal, lawful, and practical, and very common in this industry. So many folks out there can prey upon this situation right now to become a proud homeowner. But you have to take action, make the call, and I'll give you all the experience you need and the purchasing power you need to go there and shop with confidence. It takes only one phone call, and the consultation is absolutely free. I'm in the studio till about 2:30 this evening, and whereby I'll travel back to the main office at 110 Jericho Turnpike. That number over there, you can meet me at 718-380-0006, extension 335, The Mortgage Dr. Tony Shafiq. And in the studio is 718-652-6200. All you want to know about mortgage financing, just make the call. The consultation is absolutely free. So if you have a mortgage that you are being bothered with, an interest only, a negative amortization, an adjustable first and a second, we can do all the combination you want. Just make the call, and we'll put you on the road to recovery, the road to salvation, to become financially stable now in your life.
That's it. The mortgage doctor, Tony Shafiq, has said it all.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.